Good afternoon. This is Tapusri Chaudhary. Today I am going to talk about the topic called human nutrition. Basically, I want to talk about the relation between nutrition, respiration, and circulation. Like when we are taking the food, you know, the food actually, whatever we are taking the food, the our brain knows that we are taking biryani or we are taking something KFC, whatever, but our body knows that body needs only six foods. That's our carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, minerals, and water. So when we're taking the food, first it digests the carbohydrate part, mainly the starch, digested in the mouth with the salivary amylase, which is present in the saliva. After that, it goes to the stomach through the esophagus by the peristalsis, and in the stomach, HCl acid destroy the germs which is present in the food and activate the pepsin protein which act on the protein peptone so that it can convert it protein. After that it goes to the small intestine and from liver, bile duct, and from pancreas, pancreatic duct, all are coming to this small intestine. And the juices, bile juices, have the uh, ability to emulsify the lipid so that uh, lipase can digest the uh, fat into fatty acid and glycerol, and the pancreatic juices have trypsin, trypsin, carbohydrate breaking enzymes, everything. So in the small intestines, all the digestion completed, and then it goes to the large intestine. Water will be reabsorbed, and there is a villi is also, and in the small intestine villi is present which absorb the protein and carbohydrate part, and fat is absorbed by the lipid, and the unwanted, whatever the remaining part, it goes to the rectum, and through anus it excreted out, not excreted, it coming out as a stool. So when it goes to the glucose in the blood through villi, glucose enter into our blood vessel. Now through the blood, glucose enter to each and every cell. Now coming to this part, when we are inhaling the oxygen, so when oxygen we are inhaling the oxygen, some amount of carbon dioxide also enter, and it goes through nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchiole, alveoli, and in the lungs surrounding the alveoli, their blood capillaries have more concentrated carbon dioxide, less concentrated oxygen. So diffusion will occur, and then oxygen enter into the blood vessel, carbon dioxide enter into the uh, alveoli, and in the reverse way carbon dioxide exhaled out. So inhalation, exhalation, this breathing is completed. Now this blood oxygen is combined with the hemoglobin and goes to the, as a oxyhemoglobin goes to each and goes to the left auricle of the heart, then left ventricle, then to the through the aorta to each and every cell. Already there is glucose is present, so with in the presence of oxygen, glucose breakdown, carbon dioxide and ATP produce. ATP is used for our daily cell metabolic activities, and carbon dioxide is not good product, so it should be removed. Then all the vena cava, superior, inferior, collect the carbon dioxide to the right auricle of the heart, then right ventricle, and goes to the lung so that it can again uh, exhale through our nose. So because it's circulating like this way, that's why it is known as circulation. And then this way, respiration, digestion, circulation, all are interconnected.